Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. It finally stopped raining. And no, I didn't come out and do a video because there was no like epic rain. It was just steady rain all night long. It started yesterday. Well, we got rain here at like 5 in the morning for like 5 minutes. And then it started like really raining at about noon. And then it rained up until about an hour ago. Which everybody in Arizona is all like, yeah, because this was a historic rain. Now, what makes it historic? The last time the Phoenix area got any measurable rainfall, was in 1914. And it was basically a few drops fell then. I don't remember which number it was, but it was like just a bit over a trace of rain. Just a bit. And yesterday, I think Phoenix got a 1/4 inch. We got a little less than a 1/4 inch. Got to run to Walmart to pick up a few things to eat. My wife was all like, I want to go to Walmart in the morning as soon as they open. Wake me up. So I have my alarm set. I'll wake her up. And she just hands me her debit card. Like, I'm going back to sleep. And I'm like, that's fine with me. And I gotta look at this, everybody. There's only just a minimal amount of cones. We moved here in January 2024. This road has been under construction that whole time. And what they were doing is putting in new water lines and stuff in the ground. The road was fine, just they had to work under it. And if you ever have dug a hole and then put dirt back in it, it takes a lot of work to get the dirt the same level. Meaning that they got to compact it all down and everything to get where they can put pavement over it again. I was going to do a sunrise live stream this morning, and by the time I realized what time it was time for me to wake my wife up. So I was like, never mind. And yes, I've been trying to do a sunrise live stream every morning. Because when it's like this and all cloudy and stuff, the sunrise looks pretty epic. And Phoenix, like most major cities, has got viewable webcams all over the place. The site that I use is Fox 10 Phoenix. It's the news site here. You basically type in Fox 10 Phoenix, and then you type in webcam, and it will pull it up, and it shows webcams all over the U.S. And I'm hoping that the news is right here, saying that this is going to be a epic monsoon season, because we haven't had an epic monsoon season, God, probably 10, 12 years. Because when I first moved here, man, we had dust storms that looked like the dust storm on the Mummy movie. Lightning storms that would just light the whole sky up. And update on the windshield. My wife called the insurance company, and they said to wait till August when they redo our insurance, because the wreck is on there, and it would be 2 claims. So August we're getting the windshield fixed, because I know you guys are tired of looking at it as well as I'm tired of looking at it. And people have asked me, how have you not gotten pulled over? Well, you see, everybody, here's a tip. I drive a quiet, small, silver 4-door Toyota with a handicap tag on the back of it, and I don't drive like a moron. That's how you don't get pulled over. I don't drive like a Dodge Charger or a Chevy Camaro, any loud car. Because trust me, I used to own a 1987 Chevy Camaro IROC Z in red. I never got pulled over more in my life than the year and a half I owned that car. I got pulled over by an officer, and he asked me if I wanted to sell it. And I was like, yes, because I'm tired of getting pulled over. But yeah, when you drive a car that blends in, that's boring, and you don't drive like a moron, you don't get pulled over. I don't remember the last time I got pulled over. And on that note, click all the buttons, leave a comment, because it helps the almighty algorithm, and thanks for watching.